Hello friends, today I am going to talk about spirochetes. Spirochetes is spherical in shape. So now I am going to classify this. Spirochetes. Two families are Spirochetes and Leptospires. The Spirochetes are divided into genus. First Spirocheta, Trypanoma, Cristispira and Borilla. Second one is Leptospirosis is divided into genera is Leptospira, Leptonema, Turneriella. Okay. So now disease of spirochetes. The spirochetes cause disease are these disease: syphilis, yaws, pinta, endemic syphilis, relapsing, Vincent, and Lamy, Leptospira, and saprophytes. These all are disease caused by these spirochetes. So first is Trypanoma. Trypanoma divided into four species. First, Trypanoma pallidum, Trypanoma pertinum, Trypanoma catium, Trypanoma endemicum. So, Trypanoma pallidum is caused syphilis. This is important. This is very very important. Borrelia is divided Borrelia recurrentis, Borrelia vincenti, Borrelia burgdorfii. This recurrentis cause relapsing fever. Vincenti cause Vincent angina and Burgdorfii cause Lyme disease. So I'm going to third this Leptospira. It is divided into Leptospira introgans, Leptospira biflexa. This introgans is cause the disease called leptospirosis, and biflexa cause saprophytes. This is the classification. These are disease which caused by spirochetes, which is Trypanoma, Borrelia, and Leptospira. This one. So now I am going to talk about very important topic, Trypanoma pallidum. Causative agent of causative agent of syphilis is Trypanoma pallidum. Morphology: it is thin spiral, motile actively it is very very motile, and it's having endoflagella. Now microscopy: it is not shows in light microscope. Shows in light microscope. So we used a dark ground microscope, or also use phase contrast microscope, and we also seen it in fluorescence staining, silver impregnation method. These are very very important methods to see the spirals, the Trypanoma pallidum. Culture: it is not usually grown in artificial culture, but we can see it in as a subculture in like animal rabbit testes. In rabbit testes subculture we can see Trypanoma pallidum. The third one is antigen. See the Nichols strain. The Nichols strain is very very virulent strain of Trypanoma pallidum. This is very very virulent strain of Trypanoma pallidum. Antigen: it's having three type of antigen: group specific antigen, species specific Trypanoma antigen, and non-specific antigen. So these three are very important. Group specific antigen: so we can see the antibody against the group specific antigen in syphilis patient. Okay. and species specific trypanosoma antigen. Also we can see the antibody. Here we can see the antibody. It is a polysaccharide in nature. See this species specific trypanosoma antigen is a polysaccharides in nature. Pathogen, how it is cause the disease in our body. First mode of transmission. Mode of transmission, first sexually contact and direct contact of lesion over the skin. Spread, how it is spread. Trypanosoma pallidum penetrate through minutes. See, it won't use long time, okay? It will comes in the minutes and abrasion on the skin. Mucosa within few hours. First, it will penetrate and comes to the skin and also penetrate the mucosa within hours, okay? Then it comes to lymphatics, then blood and systemic infection. First penetrate the skin mucosa within the hours, then lymphatic comes into the lymphatics, blood, then symphatic infection. It causes symphatic infection. Incubation period is 21 days. Okay. Clinical manifestation. 3 types of clinical manifestation. Primary 1 degree, second 2 degrees, 3 degree. Primary, secondary and tertiary, also called late stage. So primary syphilis. Primary syphilis also called hard canker. Hard canker. It is in primary syphilis the lesions are very like painless single papule like lesions. It later cause ulcerate and it will be hard, very rich in spirochetes. I mean the bacteria are in large in number in this primary syphilis. Common sites are penis, labia majora and cervix. In homosexual patients, the anal canal, rectal and mouth will be infected organ. It is also present in regional lymphadenopathy. It causes the regional lymphadenopathy. It will be painless, persist for months. In months it will persist. Secondary syphilitis. Secondary syphilis is present like skin rashes, condylomata, mucus patches. In condylomata, mucocutaneous papules are present. Vulva, scrotum. These all are infected. Mucocutaneous papules, vulva, scrotum. Tertiary syphilis. Gamma, also called late benign syphilis. Gamma, destructive granulomatous lesion. It is type of destructive granulomatous lesion, mostly occur in bone and skin. Neurosyphilis, which is infect CNS. Okay, CNS infection. In CNS infection, it is like type of meningeal syphilitis, syphilis, meningovascular syphilis, general paresis of insane, tabes dorsalis, cardiovascular syphilis. These are neurosyphilis. These are the neurosyphilis. Laboratory diagnosis. The specimen collection of specimen from lesions, serum, CSF. In CSF, which is used for neurosyphilis, serum in blood infection, and this is the lesion in scrotum, labia majora, testes. These all are collected from the lesions. Microscopy, I have already told, like it won't show in light microscope, so we can use the dark ground microscope. Also use the silver impregnation method, Fontana stain. This is the Fontana stain, direct immunofluorescence staining, and this is for Treponema pallidum. Yeah. Culture, I have already told culture, not cultivative. uh, some subculture we can see in rabbit testes. Serology, and serology which is used for antigen detection. For non-specific antigen we use the regin. The regin is antibody which is present in non-specific antigen. uh, this is detected by using cardiolipin antigen, Wassermann test, Can test, VDRL. See, these all are these three tests: cardiolipin antigen, Wassermann test, Can test, VDRL. This is a detected method for non-specific antigen. In that non-specific antigen, antibody is regin type of antibody present in blood. For specific antigen test, we use Treponema pallidum Treponema pallidum immobilization test, fluorescence treponomi, antibody absorption test, agglutination test. For group specific antigen test, we use RPCFT, that is called Rater protein complement fixation test, and also use the biomolecular in level PCR. Thank you. This is for all about syphilis. Thank you. If you like, please just like it and share it. Thank you.